Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x80190003. This error 0x80190003 typically indicates that the update procedure has failed and system are left behind, potentially exposed to security risks as experienced in the recent cases by user upgrading their system. And the problem can be created by corrupted update files and incorrect date and time settings calculations, interventions from third-party antivirus software, or network malfunctions with Microsoft servers, all of which result in the 0x80190003 update failed error. Then I'll show you solutions to repair the Windows update. Further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to adjust date and time settings. So all you have to do is to click on Start menu, and then here at Search for App, and then you need to type Control Panel, and then you need to click Open. And then once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify the settings by clicking this view by, and you can see this category, click this arrow, and you need to select large icons to see all settings. And then a next step, then you need to select date and time. You can see here, so click. And then pop-ups this date and time settings. So all you have to do is to select this internet time tab, and then click again. And then next step, then you can see here this change settings, and then click. And then pop-ups this internet time settings. So make sure the synchronize with an internet time server box is ticked. Alright, so you can see this configure internet time settings, and then you need to check this box or tick this box, synchronize with an internet time server. And then you need to click this update now, and we will wait. Alright, so after here, and then click OK, and then click OK again, and hope to resolve this error. Alright, so if the error still persists, in the next solutions that we're going to do is to check services status. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run command. And then pop-ups this run, so here inbox, and then we need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword as services.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And again, once you open up the services and services local and on right side, and then you need to locate and find this background intelligent transfer a service. But before to proceed, then we need to check all those services if it is already running or not. So if the services is not running, then we need to modify and open properties. So select this background intelligent transfer service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then check if the service is running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to select this restart, and then click, and we will wait to complete the restart process. And then after completing this restart, and the next services that we need to modify is find and locate this cryptographic service. So select this cryptographic services. So select and then right click, and then check if this service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, so same procedures, all you have to do is to select this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and the last services that we need to modify is find and locate this Windows update services. So you need to scroll down. And then you need to select this Windows update services. So select and then right click, and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to select restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after here at services, and then we need to close. And then next solutions that we're going to do is to run the SFC scan. So all you have to do is to click again on start menu. And then here at search for apps. And then you need to type a CMD, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then you need to type and enter this command keyword sfc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected systems files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. Alright, so once you're done here at CMD SFC scan now, and then all you have to do is to close this CMD, and then we need to restart. Okay, so click on start menu and then click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.